Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to show how to draw glasses two ways. So let's get started. I made this template using Clip Studio Paint in my Wacom drawing tablet. If you'd like to use this template for practice, you can download it from my Tumblr page. Link in the description. First, let's start by drawing some guidelines. I draw a line coming from the ear. Then I draw a vertical line beside the eye. Next, I'm using a ruler to help me draw a straight line across the bottom. You don't have to use a ruler, I'm just really bad at drawing straight lines. I do the same thing across the top. Next, I draw some vertical lines by the nose. First, we are going to draw some very simple glasses. They're not very realistic, but they are nice because they hardly block the eyes. I draw an oval shape, but I keep the top part open. Next, I draw a line that heads towards the ear. The ear is actually blocked by the hair. I just made it visible for the tutorial. I draw a curvy line across the nose. Then I draw another oval shape with the top part open. I leave the top part open because then it doesn't block the eyes. Now let's erase the guidelines. Now we'll draw some glasses that are a little more realistic. I start by drawing the guidelines like I did earlier in the video. These glasses are going to be larger than the previous pair, so I'm making the guidelines the size I want the glasses to be. Now let's draw the shape of the frame. They are pretty flat on the top and curved towards the edges. The top of the frame is wider than the bottom, so the lines on the side slant inwards. Next, I draw the inside of the glasses. I try my best to keep the inside the same distance from the outside line. From this angle, we can see the nose piece on the inside part of the glasses. Next, I draw two curving lines for the rest of the nose piece. Now let's draw the other side. The side of the frame bumps out a little where the earpiece meets the frame. When drawing the glasses, it helps to pay attention to the empty space between the guidelines and the glasses. This helps you get a similar shape to what I'm drawing. From this angle, we can see the inside of the frame. Next, I draw a piece coming off the frame and then the earpiece. Next, I erased the guidelines. My camera battery needed to be charged, so my camera turned off during this. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week in my next video. Bye!